Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. My name is Mimi. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my all-time favorite recipes, my Turkey Avocado Brunch Bowl. Now, this is like a leftover recipe, which is part of why I love it so much, because if I have leftover rice or veggies or stuff in my fridge, I can use it in this brunch bowl. So I'm starting my bowl with a little bit of leftover Jasmin rice, and then I have 2 of my Turkey Everything Bagel Sausages, and I'll link that recipe in the description. Those are one of my favorite breakfast sausages, and I make them every week. So I always have them in my fridge and I can just throw them in this bowl. And so then I'm gonna add my veggies. I have some chopped up purple cabbage, chopped up red pepper, and of course my avocado. And then I also have some green onions today because I got those in my farm box and they go really well with this, even though they're not listed in the recipe. You could also add red onion to this if you want, which I do frequently as well. So once I have all my veggies chopped, I actually heat up my rice and my turkey sausages just so that those are warm. And then I'm gonna add the cold veggies and avocado in. And I am obsessed with this combination of cold and hot things. I don't know if anyone else is obsessed with that either, but I am completely obsessed with the combination of hot and cold for salads and bowls. So if anyone else is, you are going to love this recipe. Adding everything to my bowl, now I'm just gonna add my avocado. So now I have everything in my bowl and it just looks so delicious. I'm going to add my toppings. So my first topping that I'm using on this is Everything Bagel Spice, and I put this on everything. And not all Everything spices are created equal, so I'm gonna link my favorite one in the description for you guys. But I have tried them all. And this is my favorite Everything Organic Bagel Spice, so check that out in the description. And you're gonna add just a generous amount. And then last, I'm adding coconut aminos. And if you guys are unfamiliar with coconut aminos, it's very similar to soy sauce, but it's made out of coconut. So it's so much healthier and it's soy-free, but it's like a sweet sauce and it works just like soy sauce. I actually don't ever eat soy sauce anymore. I only use coconut aminos and I'm obsessed with it. My favorite one is this one that I have here from Big Tree Farm, and I'll link that in the description too, but this is gonna make this brunch bowl come together. I am totally obsessed with this Turkey Avocado Brunch Bowl. I make it all the time. You can have it for breakfast or you can have it for lunch. I'm even guilty of having it for dinner sometimes when I'm feeling super lazy. It's a super easy meal. It uses up leftovers that are in your fridge, and you can customize this depending on what you have in your fridge. For example, you could use quinoa instead of rice. You could even use sweet potatoes instead of rice. You can use a different kind of protein. Leftover chicken would be delicious in this. You could also use leftover pork, leftover beef. You could also change up the veggies to anything that you have in your fridge. The flexibility of this recipe just makes it one that I absolutely love. And I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you want more easy and organic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.